When we're in pain, we're not very happy.
It was just excruciating.
I felt pretty hopeless.
I've done acupuncture, I've been to the chiropractor, I've done massage.
I did physical therapy, but that failed and put me in more pain.
I've done all different supplements.
But they weren't even taking the edge off.
I was doing cortisone shots every other month.
They wanted to put me on medicine, and I just didn't have a good feeling about it.
They put me on hydrocodone.
I was taking a lot of pain meds.
They put me on Lyrica.
It would hurt so bad, and sometimes it took my breath away.
I was miserable. I was hopeless. I didn't know what to do.
My sister-in-law called me and said, "Hey, I just heard about this thing called Kailo," and she explained to me about what it was. And
I was very skeptical. I didn't think that it was something that would actually help me, especially with nerve damage.
As I was walking out the door, my sister walked up and knelt down on the ground and wrapped one around my foot, and I was like, "What did you do?"
So he placed the patch for a quick second, took it off, and I instantly felt relief. And I said, "What did you just do?" And I got a little embarrassed because I didn't think he had actually done anything, but he had.
It was just every ounce of pain in my foot disappeared. I looked over at my husband and I'm like, "What did she do?"
And I went down and touched my feet, and then I came back up and I did another squat, and I was like, how is this possible?
A little bit down farther. There you go.
That's creepy.
And I gasped almost, and I was like, it's different.
My hands don't tingle. They don't hurt.
Right there, that was a really big deal to me. Both Adrian and I looked at each other and we were super emotional.
It doesn't hurt. Yay!
It's hard to express, like, when you've lived in pain for so long, how exciting it is to be out of pain.
I could definitely tell that there was a difference. You could see in her eyes that there was, kind of relief. It was, hey, there's hope.
So before I started using Kailo, I'd say my pain level was at a 9.
I can go anywhere between a 7, sometimes 9.
I was probably getting about a 5 to 7 on my pain level.
After about a week, my pain level dropped to about a 3 or 4.
So I went down to maybe a 2 or 3, and sometimes complete relief if I wasn't at work.
And now that I've been using the Kailo for about 8 months, I'd say my pain level's at a 1.
It can bring me down to a 5, 4, in my hands sometimes a 3. That's a huge difference. It's functioning. It's being able to get out of bed or being able to cook dinner. It's being able to help do those mom things every day that I couldn't. It makes me be more of the mom that I want to be.
It would be easy to be on the fence and be skeptical on whether it would work.
I was very skeptical. I didn't think that it would work for me.
All I can say is try it.
But it did, and I found instant relief, and I found a solution.
That's about the only way to explain it, is it will change your life.